Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at Oasis by Kalley from Bethel Music, and this song is in the key of C major. So it's all white keys today. So the song is basically just one chord progression throughout the whole song. It's mainly played by guitar, so when we try and play it on keys, it won't really sound the same, but nonetheless, it is playable and it's a lot of fun. Okay, so we're gonna head right into the intro. Okay, so I'm gonna try and do bit by bit. So I'm gonna try and do bit by bit of this song because, there's a lot going on. So I'm just gonna go section by section and then join everything together at the end. So the first three chords are C, A. So it's C, G minor, A minor, A minor 7. So those are the first three chords. And what you can do with your right hand while you're playing that progression is do something like. So it's. Okay, so I'm gliding into each note. So when I'm on the C chord, I'm aiming for my E. So I'm gliding into E. This is very easy for guitarists to do because they just slide up to the notes and you don't really hear, the individual notes. They just glide into the note. So it goes like. Okay, so those are the first three chords. And then that progression is followed by an F to a C. So before we get to that F, while I'm resting on A minor, I'm gonna do like the small riff into F to C. So I'm on A minor right now, and I'm gonna play this riff. I'm gonna play it slowly. I'm gonna do that again very slowly this time. Okay, so I'm on A minor. Okay, so I'm gonna play everything that I just showed you now, just in normal tempo this time around. Okay, just remember guys, if I'm going too fast, even though I'm trying to slow down, just remember that you can always pause the video and you can play it at a slower speed using the YouTube player. I find that this helps a lot if you're trying to learn a new song. Okay, so now the verses and the chorus have the same progression. In fact, the verse and the chorus progression is similar to the intro progression, but there's two new chords added, which is can call this a D minor 7 because I've added the 7th here, followed by a E minor 6. Yeah, looks like a 6. So when you're playing the verses and the chorus, you're gonna do everything I showed you in the intro, and you're gonna add those two chords at the end. So it's like. Now those chords, D minor 7, E minor 6, to F2, and you end with the C. I'm gonna do that again. So when you go onto that D minor, where was I? Okay, so you're on that C right now. So you just play it. Now when you're going to the D minor, you can play this melody line in order to hit F. So your target is to land on the F as your melody note. So you can go, or you can go, whichever you choose, as long as you land on F. So it's like, okay, or you can go, okay. So let me just play into D minor. So when you're going to the E minor, you want to land on the C. It's your melody note. So whatever sequence you use, you can use anything as long as you land on the C. And when you go back to that last C major, you want to make sure you land on the E. Okay, so I hope this made sense. I'm going to play this a few more times. I'm going to play it slowly the first time, and then I'm going to play it normally. Is that even a word? Normally. Okay, whatever. Let's do this. Okay, so now we're going to explore different ways of playing the song. So if you don't want to try and emulate what the guitar is doing, you can try something different with the piano. Okay, so you can try and play like something very mellow and slow. Or you could try and do something different and, just play like a pattern that just repeats over and over. Something like, yeah, guys, you can pretty much just mess around with the song, try and be creative. As I said, it's a song played by guitar, so this is an opportunity for keyboardists to just take it and make it your own. Of course, don't go all out now and just do crazy stuff for the sake of doing crazy stuff. And that's it, guys. So if you're new to this channel and it helped you in some way or other, please make sure that you subscribe and feel free to put a song request in the comment section. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.